Celebrate with dance, unleashing joy through movement. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where learning English is fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and vibrant expression. Celebrate with dance. This phrase is not just about words. It's about culture, emotion, and the universal language of dance. Let's explore how this expression can add color to your English conversations and why it's a celebration of life itself. Celebrate with dance is a phrase that encapsulates the idea of using dance as a means to celebrate. It's a universal concept found in many cultures around the world, where dance is an integral part of celebrations, festivities, and significant life events. This phrase can be broken down into two key components. Celebrate, to observe a special occasion or to express joy and happiness in a lively way. With dance, using dance as the medium or method of celebration. In essence, when we say, celebrate with dance, we're talking about expressing joy, happiness, and sometimes even gratitude through the act of dancing. Dance is much more than just a series of movements to music. It's a form of storytelling, a way to express emotions, and a method to bring communities together. Across the globe, different cultures have unique dances for various occasions, such as weddings, harvests, religious ceremonies, and national holidays. For example, in India, the classical dance Bharatanatyam is often performed during religious festivals and celebrations. Salsa, originating from the Caribbean, is a popular social dance that celebrates joy, love, and friendship. The Maori people of New Zealand use the haka, a traditional war dance, for various celebrations, including welcoming guests and sports events. Understanding the cultural background of dances can enrich your appreciation of the phrase, celebrate with dance, and highlight the diversity of human expression. Incorporating the phrase, celebrate with dance, into your English conversations can add a layer of richness and vibrancy. Here are some examples of how you can use it. After passing our exams, we decided to celebrate with dance and music all night long. Their wedding was a beautiful ceremony, and they chose to celebrate with dance, inviting all the guests to join. Whenever I achieve a personal goal, I like to celebrate with dance, even if it's just in my living room. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe personal joy, communal happiness, and the act of sharing celebratory moments with others. We hope you enjoyed exploring the meaning and beauty of the phrase, celebrate with dance, with us. Dance is a powerful form of expression that transcends language barriers, making it a perfect theme for English language learners to delve into. Remember, celebrating with dance is about embracing joy, sharing moments of happiness, and connecting with others on a profound level. So next time you have something to celebrate, consider letting your feet do the talking. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has inspired you to not only expand your English vocabulary but also to explore the beautiful expressions of cultures around the world. Keep dancing and keep learning.